You watching Top 5 Best Portable Clothes Dryers. Number 5. 15 kilograms Compact Electric Portable. Dries clothes in 30 minutes. 0-180 minute timer. Safety shut-off function. 2 internal racks for fast, efficient and reliable clothes drying. Convenient indoor portable clothes dryer. Dryer rack can be used almost anywhere. Small spaces, apartments, dorm rooms, hotels, gyms, studios, offices, RVs, boats, houses, and much more. Clothes drying rack can dry everything. Ideal for all kinds of garments including delicates. Shirts, dresses, underwear, socks, baby clothes, uniforms, sports gear, shoes, and towels. Compact electric clothes dryer. Mini drying rack is extremely compact with 4 wheels. It's lightweight and can be assembled in 10 minutes. Money and time-saving appliance for everyone. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Portable Compact Washer. Washing rating 300W and spin drying rating 150W. Capacity, 8.8 pounds washing mocking and 4.4 pounds spinning machine. Strema Power US Mini Washer and Dryer is deal for doing small load of delicate clothing, such as undergarments, socks, towels, and t-shirt. The compact size is great for dorms, apartments, condos, motorhomes, RVs. 31WX25HX16D. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Panda 3200 RPM Portable. Not include fabric or fur or fiber components. Imported. Stainless steel drum to ensure long life. 110V outlet, plug anywhere you like. Household use only. Large capacity, easy mobility, and portable to carry around. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RV, boat, travel. Space saver. Match with various choice of Panda portable washing machine as a set. Gets washing almost dry, not 100% dry, slightly damp, and saves line time. Dramatically speeds up drying for hand washing. Bring efficiency, safety, and economy to your washing. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Household Essentials 17125. Indoor/outdoor umbrella dryer with 18 vinyl lines for hanging and air drying laundry. 64 feet of total drying space with freestanding tripod base. Single action open and close, helps save space when not in use, ready for installation. No rust. Galvanized aluminum arms and post work together to create a strong stable drying rack. Measurements, 72 inches. HX 52 inches. W, base, X 62 inches. D, diameter at top. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. The Laundry Alternative. Ventless Portable Electric Dryer. 3-year manufacturer warranty. 1800 RPM spin speed. 12 pounds load capacity. Laundry is 90% dry in under 3 minutes. Please check the description for details and update price.